Stop waiting months for a visa while your life is on hold. In 2026, Finland has officially cracked the code, allowing you and your entire family to relocate in just 14 days. Today, I'm breaking down the exact Finland D-Visa fast-track process, how you can qualify, and how people are moving to Europe faster than ever before. Let's get straight to the point. Yes, this is real. In 2026, Finland introduced a D-Visa fast-track system for highly skilled workers. Here's how it works. Once your application is approved, you get a D-Visa immediately. You can enter Finland without waiting for your residence card. The processing time is as fast as 10 to 14 days. Compare that to other European countries where you wait 2 to 4 months minimum. This is a digital-first immigration system, meaning everything is processed online through the official portal called Enter Finland. This is why it's going viral right now. Speed, plus simplicity, plus family relocation together. Now, who actually qualifies for this fast track? Finland is prioritizing high-growth sectors: IT professionals, software developers, cloud engineers, AI ML experts, green energy specialists, healthcare professionals, nurses, doctors, engineering roles, mechanical, electrical, automation. Salary requirement, 2026. Minimum, 3,500 to 5,500 euros per month. Senior roles demand more than 6,000 euro per month. The key requirement, you must have a valid job offer from a Finnish employer. Top job portals to apply: TE Services, LinkedIn, and the official portal for genuine jobs across Europe, EURES. Important, high-impact tip. Most people get rejected here. You need ATS-optimized CV and a customized cover letter for each job. If you want, we can create high-conversion ATS CV plus cover letter for you. Just reach out to us on the email in the description. This is where Finland beats almost every country. With the D-Visa, you apply together with your family, your spouse gets full work rights immediately, your children get free education access, and the best part, everyone gets their decision at the same time. No waiting months for family reunification. 2026 updates. Kids can join school within 30 days. Access to public health care, daycare support available. This makes Finland one of the most family-friendly relocation countries in Europe. Here's exactly how to apply. Step 1. Apply online. Go to Enter Finland. Fill in your work residence permit application. Add family members in the same application. Step 2. Prepare these 3 critical documents. These cause most delays: employment contract, passport plus copies, degree certificates, translated if required. Step 3. Identity verification. Visit VFS or embassy. Submit biometrics. This step triggers your 14-day countdown. Once you land in cities like Helsinki, here's what you do in your first week. Must-do tasks. Get your Finnish personal identity code. Open a bank account. Register your address. What happens next? Your residence permit card is delivered locally. You can start working immediately. This is not just a short-term visa. With this pathway, you can get permanent residency in 4 years, citizenship after 5 years. You also get visa-free travel in Schengen countries, high quality of life, and you can rest assured that you're in one of the safest countries in the world. If you're serious about moving to Europe in 2026, this is one of the fastest and smartest pathways available right now. Don't wait. These roles fill quickly. If you need help with ATS CV, cover letters, or job applications, check the email in the description. And if you found this helpful, like, comment Finland, and I'll let you know your immigration prospects, companies you can target, and pathways you can use. Subscribe for more immigration updates. I'll see you in the next video.